Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 37 at 100 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Dear friends, today we all have met here to discuss the important subject rural development. I welcome all those who have come from various government offices from several districts of the state. Rural development is a strategy designed to improve the economic and social life of the rural people. It involves providing the benefits of development to the poorest who seek a livelihood in the rural areas. This group included small scale farmers, tenants, and the landlords. The seeds of rural development in India were sown in the early 50s when the country launched its first 5-year plan with a slogan of growth with social justice. In the meanwhile, various schemes, projects, programs, and institutions have been introduced during these decades to develop the people of countryside. Of course, all these efforts have resulted in a mix of success and failure. But now the problem has assumed greater importance, and an attempt is made here to analyze the problem. Para change. Rural development, nowadays much popularly known as integrated rural development, aims at comprehensive development pertaining to all aspects of rural economy and covering rural people as a whole, along with special emphasis on the weaker sections. In other words, this effort is to increase the standard of living of the country with the help of constructive programs designed to build up the nation from bottom to top. So, it is called the development in various fields like economic, social, educational, health, religious, cultural, and others. As a result of this, the gap between not only the urban and rural people but also the rich and poor rural areas has been widened. In this connection, we should remember that the economic growth by itself does not lead to increase the employment opportunities to all sections equally, especially those who do not have required access. Therefore, the improper distribution of national income and wealth in the country like ours will increase a growing threat to political stability and other related problems. Hence, it is necessary for all of us to make efforts for better rural development of the country. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.